Hi, good day to you all. My name is Jacob, and today I'm gonna show you how to add some background to your text in Microsoft Word. Okay, so if you feel like your text is so boring because your background is just a plain white like this, you can always add some background or picture to it so it will look nicely or colorful. Okay, so let's proceed. So first, let's go to insert tab here. Okay, then go to pictures. So make sure that you'll choose your desired picture to make your background nice or better or colorful. Okay, so let's proceed. Click, then this device. So this is the picture I chose earlier. Okay, so let's just pick this, then click insert. Okay, so as you can see, the picture did not went through the text. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how that this picture will make this your background. Okay, so next I'm gonna right click the picture like this. Okay, so choose the wrap text like this. Okay, so since our topic is about making our background for our text, choose the behind text like this. So as you can see this. Okay, so as you can see, the picture went through the text. Okay, you can also wait, you can also drag it around like this since it's already wrap text. Okay, you can also make it your cover page, resize it like this. Okay, that you can always pick anything you like, any picture you like, so you any picture you like to make your background nice. so this is how it looks like. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from me today. Thank you.